profit and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Their balance sheet as at 31st March was as follows. Capitals of partners are given. Creditor is given. Bank account is given. Debtor, provision, stock and asset are given. On the above date, they dissolved the firm and following amounts were realized. Okay. Fixed assets 6 lakh 75, stock 3 lakh 39, debtors 1 lakh 35. Creditors were paid 1 lakh 85,000 in full settlement. Expenses on realization amounted to 19,000. Working note, we prepare realization account. Ready? Debit side, credit side. Okay. So first what we do, first we transfer all the assets to sundry assets. Okay. So let's see what is given in assets other than bank. Debtors 1,95,000, 1,95,000. Then stock 3 lakh. Okay. Then fixed assets 7 lakh 10,000. 7 lakh 10,000. All points are over. So let's do the total. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lakh 5,000. Am I correct? I hope I am correct. 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 lakh 5,000. Yes. Then we transfer liabilities, buy sundry liabilities. Under liabilities, only creditors are given, but we will take this provision for bad debts also. Okay. Creditors, 2 lakh, and provision for bad debts 5,000 is given. Internal arrangement 5,000. So 2 lakh 5,000 will come. Okay. Now let's see. On the above date, they dissolved the firm. The following amounts were realized. Fixed assets 6 lakh 75,000. Because here bank is mentioned, so we open bank account. By bank. Fixed assets 6 lakh 75,000. Okay. Stock 3 lakh 39,000. Debtors 1 lakh 35,000. 1 lakh 35,000. Okay. Then creditors were paid 1 lakh 85,000 in full settlement of their claim to bank. Creditors 1 lakh 85,000 in full settlement. Expenses on realization 19,000. Expenses on realization 19,000. Yes or no? Let's do the total. 1 lakh 85,000 plus 19,000, 2 lakh 4,000. Here also 6 lakh 75,000 plus 3 lakh 39,000 plus 1 lakh 35,000, 11 lakh 49,000. Okay, all assets and liabilities are over. All adjustments are written, dear children. Now what is left? We need to calculate profit or loss. 12 plus 2, 14 and 11. Yes. So debit side is more. 12 plus 2, 14 lakh 9,000. Then 14 lakh 9,000 minus 11 lakh 49,000 minus 2 lakh 5,000. So it will be 55,000 which is remaining in credit side. So this is loss. So loss is transferred to partners capital account. By loss transferred to partners capital account. The name of partners are ABC and their ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1. A, B, C, the ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. So 55,000 divided by 5, 11. 11,000, 11 2 ja, 22,000, 11 2 ja, 22,000. So this realization account we have prepared so that it will be very helpful in making journal entries. Now children, how to pass journal entry? It is very simple. First we pass journal entry for this assets which is transferred here. Two sundry assets. Okay dear children. So directly you can pass. I am giving you very simple technique. You can save your time in examination. Journal entries. Okay. So first entry you can see here. Sundry assets written in debit side of realization account. So you will pass realization account debit. To sundry assets. How much children? 12 lakh 5,000. So 12 lakh 5,000. Being assets transferred to realization account. Being assets transferred to realization account. Very simple. Now we will pass second entry for transferring of liabilities. Okay. This 2 lakh 5,000. So you can write, we can write second entry. Sundry liabilities account debit to realization account. Okay, how much? 2 lakh 5,000. And in narration you can write that being creditors and provision for doubtful debt transferred to realization account. Okay children. Then third entry you will pass for selling of assets for 11 lakh 49,000. Okay, when we sell assets, cash is received. So bank account debit to realization account. Third entry. Bank account debit to realization account. How much children? 11 lakh 49,000. 11 lakh 49,000. 11 lakh 49,000. Being assets realized. Then fourth entry children you will pass for payment of liabilities, creditors and expenses on realized 2 lakh 4,000. Okay, cash is going out. So realization account debit to bank. Fourth entry. Realization account debit to bank account. How much it is? It is 2 lakh 4,000. 2 lakh 4,000. 2 lakh 4,000. Being liability is paid. Then at the end you need to pass the entry for loss or profit. So here loss is given in the credit side. Okay, which will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay, so A's capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account debit. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit, to realization account. Okay, so what is the loss? 55,000 and 22, 22 and 11. Okay, 22,000, 22,000 and 11,000 being loss is transferred to partner's capital account. Okay, you one more. What is that? I think that you all can easily prepare how much each and every partner is getting actually. A, B, C. You can prepare capital account also, or without preparing capital account, what they are getting you can write here also. Like their capital in question, it is mentioned their capital is 750, 3 lakh and 250. So 7 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh. This is last entry, working note for last entry. In each and every examination you need to pass this last entry also. That's why students are not getting 1 mark because of this entry. Normally they pass only for realization account, but this one entry is must. Okay, and then what is loss? Loss will be adjusted, like 22,000 is the loss. If there would be profit now, then that would be added. 22,000 and 11,000 is subtracted. So when we subtract, children, what we get? 250 minus 10, 240, 2 lakh 39,000. Okay, 3 lakh minus 20, 280,
78.
2 lakh 78,000. 750 minus 22,
28.
28,000. Now, do you know, children, cash account? If you are paying attention, that definitely you will able to understand this point, and you will definitely pass this entry in examination. 2,39,000. Let me quickly do the total. 7,28,000 plus 2,78,000 plus 2,39,000. Children, it
And
is 12,45,000.
12 lakh 45.
Okay, being cash paid to the being cash paid to partners. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Huh?
Yes, sir.